Some of these wild animals are easy, but a few will seriously test your brain. Only true nature lovers can get all 10 right. Let's find out how sharp you really are. First one. Lion. Second one. Cheetah. Third one. Elephant. Nice start, but it's about to get more challenging. Fourth one. Zebra. Fifth one. Tiger. Sixth one. Rhinoceros. Halfway done. Are you still confident? Seventh one. Polar bear. Eighth one. Giraffe. Ninth one. Tortoise. Are you ready for the last question? This mysterious animal howls at night and lives in packs. Final guess, wolf. How many did you get right? Comment your score below and challenge your friends. If you enjoyed this quiz, like the video and follow for more fun challenges.